This is N2LEM with another quick video clip. We're going to be testing on the bench is one of my used MTR-3000s. This is a VHF model, 136 to 174, both in RX and TX. There's going to be some extra cards, extra receive module, I think an extra backplane, an extra network card. When I purchased this repeater, the power supply that was installed on it became intermittent, so I replaced it with a supply from one of my MTR-2000s. Same supply, little different styling in the aluminum. As you could see, it's a little bit different color. The fins are a little different, but basically it was snap-on, bolt-on. The plugs in, all the plugs in the Molex plugs in the back snap right in. Same spec. It's a 100-watt revision. You could program it for moto turbo or analog. We're going to plug in the laptop. You only need USB. Oh, and you heard the laptop and the USB chime. So it is now connected. We're going to open up the Motorola CPS. We're going to do a quick read so you can see the specs. Let's go ahead and read the repeater. Okay. And here's the specs of the machine. It has firmware R.02.30.02, and you can see 136 to 174, both on RX and TX. I have it programmed for one of my repeater channels up here. And I have it programmed for an output of 147 150 with an input of 147 750. And I have it set for carrier operated squelch, so no PL for the test. We'll go into the general settings here so you can just see the specs of the repeater. You know, this was used for DMR. But you could see CWID if you want to put it in. I'm sure if you're interested in buying this repeater, you'll know all about this. And this is the older, and this is an older revision of the Moto Turbo CPS. It's not 2.0. All right, so what we're going to do is the test radio, just quickly, will be an FT2DR. We're going to power it up. There we go, and that's 147.15. Going to take the mic, and I'll show you here. I'm just going to count down from 3, and you'll see me keyed up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I'll unkey. Key up. Unkey. Let me grab the handheld, let you see. There we go. Let me get in here tight so you can see. 1, 2, 3, key. 147, 149896. That's really dead on. 80 watts output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see it's popping up every once in a while on the deviation. Really, really nice modulation at 80 watts, rock solid. There you go. So that's basically it. You could see the repeater, the fans on the PA side right here. This comes with the pre-selector. You could see everything is plugged in, everything is neat. It has the pre-selector and connectors on both sides. Very clean machine. Let me unplug this. There we go. I'll show you, actually I'll unplug it and then I'll plug it back in so you can see how it power cycles, this to show you. Okay, let me shut off the fan on the service monitor. And now you can see how this, let me move this over, and you can quickly see how it powers up and how the fans come on. Let me back this up. Let me plug it in. There you go. That's the power supply fan. There's the PA fan. And there you go. You're at system ready. So that's basically it. Beautiful, a beautiful repeater. I'll pop off the cover. Let me see if I can get it off with one hand. I might not be able to. There we go. So you could see exactly what it looks like. It's in beautiful shape. And with that said, this is N2LEN saying best 7-3. Thanks.